This video covers one of the uses of satellites, one of the benefits that we can get from satellites. And you've probably heard of it, it's called GPS, but that stands for Global Positioning Systems, and it uses satellites. So how does it work? We've got a wee sort of simulation here of the basic idea. You have a network of satellites up in space, and it's all actually based on very accurate timing. That's really important to Okay, so if you basically, these satellites are constantly sending out signals. If your device times how long it takes that signal to reach you, then knowing the fact it travels at the speed of light, so it's a radio signal, then we can work out how far away you are from that satellite. But that means you could be anywhere on the surface of this sphere. If you look at a second satellite and get a time from that, so all the information they're sending out has got a code identifying which satellite and so on, then you're starting to narrow it down. You could be anywhere basically on this kind of strange shaped surface you would get, where these two circles overlap. But if we have a third GPS satellite, then there's only one place where all three of those signals would overlap. There is actually another one up out in space, but we can rule that one out, and you can work out where you are on Earth within a few meters. Okay, so that's just a quick run through. You're not expecting to memorise this in detail, but just have a basic idea, for instance, how GPS works.